morning, students. Today we are going to study an interesting story from your Fragrance English Reader book, that is your chapter 10, Before the Match. By the end of this video, you will be able to express story in your own words. You will be able to understand the meanings of the difficult words and phrases, and you will be able to answer the related questions. Now, before starting with the chapter, I will first discuss its brief summary with you. This story, Before the Match, is an excerpt from R.K. Narayan's work Swami and Friends. This chapter deals with a story about a boy named Swaminathan who tries his best to skip the evening drill practice to prepare himself for the upcoming match to be played on Sunday after 2 weeks. He was the tate of the team. On him rested a mighty responsibility of winning the match against Young Men's Union. But he made a number of excuses to skip the practice and prepare on his own. Now I will discuss detailed summary with you. There was a cricket match between Young Men's Union and Malgudi Cricket Club to be played on Sunday after 2 weeks. Rajam, who belonged to Malgudi Cricket Club team, felt confident that his team could beat the Young Men's Union, but there was one player named Swaminathan who caused him the deepest anxiety day and night, as Swami did not seem to care for practice. So, Rajam requested him to try to have at least an hour's practice in the evenings, to which Swami asked him to suggest any way for that. Rajam ended the conversation by saying that he just wanted that Swami would have good practice, otherwise he would never see his face again. 7 days before the match, Swami realized that his evenings were more precious than ever. So, he lined up with the other players in the evening in the drill ground. All the other players were in their shirts with their dhotis tucked up, while he had not taken off his coat and cap. When he was told by his drill master to remove it, he started making an excuse that he was delirious the previous night, due to which he was unable to sleep and he was not in a state of attending drill that day. The drill master won't believe a word of him and ordered him to get out. Swami tried his best to skip his evening drill practice to prepare himself for the upcoming match. So, the next morning at 7:30, 2.5 hours before the school, he slipped out of the house and went to Dr. T. Keswan, LMNS Shri Krishna Dispensary to get a doctor's false certificate for skipping the practice. When the doctor asked for the reason, he replied that he had a delirium, which might be some kind of stomachache according to him. The doctor, on hearing this, laughed till a great fit of coughing threatened to choke him, and after examining Swami, he declared him to be in the pink of health, and in order to get rid of delirium, he would stick to his drill. Swami requested him again and again. Finally, the doctor decided not to give him a certificate, as he would be prosecuted if he did so, but would talk to his headmaster to let him go after 4:30. At the end, Swami accepted his decision and thanked him for being kind to him. Now, I will start reading from page 65. But before starting with the reading, I will first discuss difficult words with their meanings and phrases with you. So the first word is peace. P-E-A-C-E, which means calm. Next word, confident. C-O-N-F-I-D-E-N-T, which means hopeful. Next, thrash. T-H-R-A-S-H, meaning is beat. Next word, depended. D-E-P-E-N-D-E-D, meaning is trusted. Next word, steady. S-T-E-A-D-Y, which means developing. Next word, unimpressive. U-N-I-M-P-R-E-S-S-I-V-E, which means ordinary. Now, I will discuss phrases with you. So, the first phrase is to be played, meaning is khela jana. Next, on Sunday, which means Ravivar ko. Next phrase is after 2 weeks, meaning is 2 हफ्ते बाद. Next, of mind, मन की. And the next phrase is to let down, निराश करना. Now, I will start with the reading. The match was to be played on Sunday after 2 weeks. Rajam lost all peace of mind. He felt confident that his team could thrash the YMU, that is Young Men's Union. He himself could be depended upon not to let down the team. Mani was steady even if unimpressive. Now, this paragraph means that there was a match to be played on Sunday after 2 weeks between Young Men's Union and Malgudi Cricket Club. Rajam felt confident that his team could thrash the Young Men's Union. Now, I will continue with my reading, but before that, I will discuss difficult words with their meanings and phrases with you. So, the next word is necessary. N-E-C-E-S-S-A-R-Y, meaning is compulsory. Next, anxiety. A-N-X-I-E-T-Y, meaning is nervousness. Next word is responsibility. R-E-S-P-O-N-S-I-B-I-L-I-T-Y, which means duty. Now the next word is Tate. T-A-T-E, meaning is Maurice William Tate, a famous English cricketer, a bowler. Now next word is uncertain. U-N-C-E-R-T-A-I-N, which means not sure. And the last word is fortnight. F-O-R-T-N-I-G-H-T, meaning is a period of 15 days. I hope you people are writing the meanings of the difficult words and phrases side by side. Now, I will discuss phrases with you. So, the first phrase is to stop, means रोकने के लिए. Next, with his head, उसके सिर के साथ. Next, of the other team, दूसरी टीम का. Next phrase is with the match, meaning is match के साथ. And the last one, to care for practice, meaning is अभ्यास के लिए देखभाल करने के लिए. Now, I will start with the reading. He could be depended upon to stop any ball with his head, if necessary. His batting was not bad. There was only one player who caused him the deepest anxiety day and night. On him rested a great task, a mighty responsibility. He was the tate of the team, and he must bowl out all the 11 of the other team. But he looked uncertain. Even with the match only a fortnight off, he did not seem to care for practice. Now, this paragraph means that Mani's batting was not bad and he could be depended upon to stop any ball with his head if necessary. But there was one player who caused him the deepest anxiety day and night, that is Swaminathan, as Swaminathan did not seem to care for practice. Now, I will continue with my reading, but before starting with the reading, I will discuss difficult words with their meanings and phrases. So, the first word is pleaded. Pleaded. Meaning is requested. Next word, suggest. SUGGEST, which means to put forward an idea. Next word, grateful. GRATEFUL, which means thankful. And the last word is precious. PRECIOUS, meaning is of great value. Now, I will discuss phrases with you. First phrase is at least an hour's practice, which means कम से कम 1 घंटे का अभ्यास. Next, for your suggestion, meaning is आपके सुझाव के लिए. And the last phrase is for more than 5 minutes, which means 5 मिनट से ज़्यादा के लिए. Now, I will start with the reading. Swami Rajam pleaded, please do try to have at least an hour's practice in the evenings. Certainly, Rajam, if you can suggest a way. Why not tell your headmaster that? Oh no, Swaminathan cried. I am grateful to you for your suggestion, but let us not think of that man. I don't care. What I want is that you should have good practice. If you keep any batsman standing for more than 5 minutes, I will never see your face again. Just 7 days before the match, Swaminathan realized that his evenings were more precious than ever. These lines mean that Rajam requested Swami to have at least an hour's practice in the evenings. So, he suggested a way to tell it to the headmaster. But Swaminathan cried that he did not want to think of that man. But 7 days before the match, Swaminathan realized that his evenings were more precious than ever. Now, here are some cross questions related to the reading of page 65 and 66. So the first question is, when was the cricket match to be played? The cricket match was to be played on Sunday after 2 weeks. Next, name the teams that were to play the cricket match in the lesson. Malgudi Cricket Club and Young Men's Union were the teams that were to play the cricket match in the lesson. Next, who was the Tate of the team? Why was he called so? Swami was the Tate of the team as he was the fast bowler, and Tate refers to the best bowler of the time. Next, who caused deep anxiety for Rajam? Why was he anxious? Swaminathan caused deep anxiety for Rajam. He was anxious because Swami did not seem to care for practice. Next, why could Swami not be present for the evening practice? Swami could not be present for the evening practice as he wanted to prepare himself for the upcoming match. And the last question is, why were the evenings more precious than ever? The evenings were more precious than ever because there was just 1 week left for the match. So students, today we did reading of page number 65 and 66 and also discussed difficult words with their meanings and phrases related to these pages. Now you have to read this chapter till what we have done today thoroughly for better understanding, and you have to learn word meaning and sentences given at page number 64. Thank you.